Cucumbers are a crisp and refreshing addition to any garden, and growing them on a trellis makes them easier to handle, water, and harvest. Here's everything you need to trellis your cucumber plants. First, select a vining variety of cucumber. Then, plant 6 to 10 seeds together and space 12 inches apart. Once the plant is established, prune around the base to maximize airflow. And later, you'll want to remove any suckers or lateral growth points off the main stem. Next, choose the garden trellis that best fits your space and will also accommodate your plant's mature height. Then, using the included stakes, secure the trellis close to the main stem. Using a thinly twisted rope or twine, secure the main stem to the trellis. Once new growth starts emerging, continue securing the plant to the trellis every 2 to 3 inches using string. Finally, be sure to top off the area with mulch to help retain moisture, keep roots cool, and prevent weeds. Now your cucumbers will grow vertically and thrive. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.